Alright guys, real quick, because we got to fly through this because I got church tonight. Again, pause the video, try it on your own, and then hit play to see if you got it right. Right now we got to make this thing equal 0, so I'm going to subtract 35 from both sides. N squared minus 2n minus 35 equals 0. I'm going to use my x, so negative 35 on top, negative 2 on the bottom. What two numbers? I'm thinking negative 7 and 5. That adds up to negative 2. Multiply to get negative 35. Do your parentheses. Okay. Remember, pull the opposites out. Boom. Done. That's a semicolon. Two different answers. Okay. Next. Again, pause the video. Try it on your own. All right, here I go. Subtract 21 from both sides. P squared minus 4p minus 21 equals 0. Again, do your x. Negative 21, negative 4. What two numbers? Let me think. 7, 3. This one needs to be negative. So when we add them, we get negative 4. Multiply, get the negative 21. So p minus 7, parentheses, p plus 3. And again, you pull the opposites. 7, negative 3, because we're looking for solutions. Boom. Moving on. Again, pause the video. All right, try it yourself. All right, here I go. I'm going to subtract 17k from both sides. And I get 6k squared minus 17k minus 14 equals 0. Sorry about that. 0, 0, 0. Anyway, I can't factor anything out, so 6 times negative 14. I'm using my calculator. I get negative 84. That goes on top. And then negative 17 on the bottom. I'm going to do my factor tree because I am so clueless on what it should be. 220, no, not 20, that'd be 42. That still isn't it. 3, what's 84 divided by 3? 28. Can I get that? Nope. 4, 21. I think that's going to be it. Because I can get 17 out of that. So 21, 4, make this a negative 21. Add 4 to that and we get negative 17. Multiply and we get the negative 84. So k minus 21. Then k plus 4. Don't forget to divide by the 6. Reduce. So that is, take 3 out, we get 7 over 2. And then this reduces to k plus 2 over 3. Okay? Now, you can do the bottoms up. As far as factoring goes. But remember, our shortcut is to go from here straight to our answers, as in pulling the opposites. Sorry about that. Let me fix that 3. Boop. K equals negative 2 over 3. Because we want the opposites. Okay? Boom. Again, pause the video. Alright, here I go. Like I said, I want a positive leading coefficient. Okay? It's just the way I like things. To be positive. You got to be positive. I got to write a paper tonight, but I'm going to be positive about it. I'm going to cry later on, but I'm going to be positive about it. I'm going to be tired, but I'm going to be positive. Jeez, let me try to move this. Aha, boom. Again, can't factor anything out, so 7 times 16, holy cow. I get negative 112 over that negative 54. Maybe this one won't be so bad. I know it ain't going to be the 1. Let me try the 2. I got 56. Oh, that has to be it. Because 56 minus 2 gets 54, but this one needs to be the negative. Okay? So, m negative 56 parentheses, m plus 2 parentheses, divide by 7, reduce that, we get m divided by, excuse me, 56 divided by 7, we get that 8. This one doesn't reduce anymore, so bottoms up, m minus 8, 7m plus 2, and I'm sorry I'm racing through this, I'm just trying to get to church real quick. As always, that's if you're factoring, but if you skip and go straight to pulling out the opposites, we get 8 and negative 2 over 7. Boom. All right, 5. Let's see here. All right, again, pause the video and try it out. I'm going to solve for b because look, there's no middle term. There's no b to the first degree. Okay, so I'm going to subtract 3 from both sides. We get 3b squared equals, what is that? 165. Divide by 3. B squared equals 55. Take the square root. I'm pretty sure that doesn't simplify, but I'll check. It doesn't. So plus minus root 55 will be good for me. Again, there's no middle term. I'm going to add, nope, subtract 18, excuse me. What you do to one side, you do to the other. 0, that's negative. Wait, what the heck am I doing? I'm going the wrong way, guys. Oh, man, I got too much on my mind right now. All right, let's try that again. Add 10 to both sides. We get 28. Aha. 4v squared divided by 4. V squared equals 7. Take the square root. And we get v equals plus minus root 7. Why'd I put a 4? There you go. Boom. Again, same thing. Subtract 9. 13 minus 9 is 4. 49 b squared. Divide by 49. B squared. Let's see, does that reduce? That doesn't reduce. Guys, I know this looks really weird, but I'm going to plug this in my calculator, and it's going to give me an answer. And I know it's going to be a plus minus something. So I'm getting my calculator. I hit my root sign, fraction key, and I'm putting 4 on top. I'm putting 49 on the bottom. There we go. I get 2 over 7. Boom. Add 2 to both sides. 4n squared. Oh, I forgot to wait, so you can have time to pause it. You didn't see anything. Okay, now I'm going to try it. Add 2. 4n squared divided by 4. N squared equals 1. Take the square root. You get n plus minus 1. Boom. Take a minute. Well, I think this is when we need to use quadratic. Let me check. Don't look at the answers. Yeah, this is the quadratic ones. All right, so quadratic, move it over. So minus 23. We get 3n squared minus 23 equals 0. Get your terms. A is going to be 3. B, there's no middle term, so that's a 0. C is going to be negative 23. Plug it in. So minus 0 plus minus 0 squared minus 4 parentheses 3 negative 23. Again, reference your formula sheet. I'm doing this from memory because I'm in beast mode. This all simplifies to plus minus root I'm plugging this in my calculator. 4 times 23 times 3. Two negatives make a positive, so that's going to be 276 all over 6, because 2 times 3. I'm going to plug this in my calculator, the positive version, because I know there's going to be a negative version. Divide 6, and I get, oh, I put too many numbers in there. Hold on, guys. Dagnabbit, all fire. All right, root 276, all divided by 6. Yeah, root 69 over 3. Again, plus minus. Okay. Take a second, pause the video, try to do it on your own. All right, I'm back. Plus 2n, plus 2n, 3n squared, plus 2n, minus 8 equals 0. A is 3, B is 2, C is negative 8. Again, plug it all in. Minus 2 plus minus 2 squared, 4. A is 3, negative 8 for C, all over 2 times A, which is 3. Simplify it a little bit. 4, oopsie daisy. Who put that straight mark there? It wasn't me. 2 squared is 4, plus 12 and 8. Oh, I should know that. 88, 96. Yeah, I was right. 96 all over 6. That's 100. You know what the square root of 100 is? 10, that's right. This is where you would want to, break it up into 2 different routes and bump down a little bit. No, I don't even like, let me move this around. And I feel bad that I can just grab this stuff, grab it. No, just this. This is all I want. All right, never mind. You know what I'm going to do? I'm just going to go whoop. And then I'm going to go whoop. And whoop. So negative 2 plus 10, all divided by 6. Negative 2 minus 10, all divided by 6. So that's 8 over 6. That's 4 over 3, divided by 2. There's one of them. This is going to be negative 12 over 6. That's negative 2. And that's the other one. Sorry again, I'm racing because I got church tonight. So, pause it, subtract 14. P squared plus 5p minus 14 equals 0. Again, A is going to be 1, B is 5, C is negative 14. Plug it all in. Negative 5 plus minus 5 squared minus 4, 1, negative 14, all over, what do you call it, 2, and, oh, that's a 1. I'm going right underneath it to simplify it. I'm putting all of this in my calculator. The 5 squared minus 4 parentheses 1, 14, should be negative right there. And I get 81. All over 2. You know what the square root of 81 is? That's 9. So negative 5 plus minus, what am I doing? Square root of 81 is 9. We just said it. Over 2. I'm going to break it up. Okay. So negative 5 plus 9 over 2. Negative 5 minus 9 over 2. That's 4 over 2, 2. Because negative 5 plus 9 is 4. And this one is going to be, what is that? 14. Holy cow, why did I take forever for that? Negative 7. There's the second answer. If you wanted to write them neatly. Boom. Please tell me this is the last one. Hallelujah. All right, let's go. Pause it again. All right. Subtract in, subtract 24. What you do to one side, you do to the other. Boop. That equals 0. We have n squared minus n minus 24. Okay? Again, a is 1, b is a negative 1, and c is a negative 24. Plug it in. Got two negatives here. Plus minus, negative 1 squared minus 4 times 1, negative 24. Draw your line. 2 and 1. That's a positive 1 out front. Again, I'm plugging all this in my calculator, but I think it's going to be 97 probably. If I'm right, you owe me $1. Oh yeah, I was right. 97. Get on my level. 2. Now, I don't think that simplifies. Pretty sure it doesn't. And it doesn't. So I'm going to stop right here, and that's good enough for me. Okay? Boom. Good night. Here's my autograph. Oh, whoops, right-clicked it. All right, see y'all later. Good night.